Top microwave ovens on Amazon, a comprehensive review. Welcome to our review of top microwave ovens on Amazon. Today, we're comparing three bestsellers: the Panasonic NN-SN966S, Toshiba EM131A5C-BS, and Hamilton Beach 0.9 QFT microwave oven. The Panasonic NN-SN966S features innovative inverter technology, which delivers precise power control for even cooking and fast performance. Its spacious interior makes it perfect for larger meals and busy families. However, this high-end model comes with a premium price tag that might not suit every budget. Next, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS strikes an excellent balance between performance and value. It includes sensor cooking and multiple pre-programmed settings for effortless meal preparation. Its compact design is ideal for smaller kitchens, though its capacity may be a bit limited for larger households. Finally, the Hamilton Beach 0.9 QFT microwave oven is a budget-friendly option that offers reliable, straightforward performance. Its simple controls and compact size are perfect for dorms or apartments, but it lacks some of the advanced features seen in higher-end models. Each microwave offers distinct benefits: Panasonic for premium performance, Toshiba for balanced functionality, and Hamilton Beach for cost-effectiveness. Choose based on your cooking needs, available space, and budget.